just a preview and a quick update on what I'm doing right now. I've signed up for a couple new servers. I've gone mainly for the cheap end, so below $10. Just working on a couple of benchmarks right now. So I signed up for a new Vultr hosting plan. Again, I've gone for high frequency. I should probably add that in the link. Let me just quickly update this before I forget. And that is a 1 CPU, 1 gig standard. I'm not sure the processor is, probably Intel. That's in Paris. And that gave me the best download speed I've had, 783. Maybe I should change the shade of green, it's a bit too dark. But anyway, I need to do a couple more tests on that server. And I just signed up for another one yesterday with another company called Nexus Bytes. It was very cheap. $8 for 2 AMD Ryzen CPUs and 2 gig RAM. Now the reason I went for AMD Ryzen is that I was reading in some forums that the AMD CPUs may outperform for WordPress single core processing. So I thought I'd put it to a test. So I'm hosting it in Germany. Now that one actually is, where's the score? Sorry, 8.3 overall. The database scores weren't as good as the Vultr high frequency, but some of the scores did beat the Vultr high frequency. And a new feature I forgot to mention is that there's now object cache in the testing tool. So you can see I'm doing a test right now. I'm just finishing off that test. There's a new option now in the updated version called object cache, and that's caused me a bit of an issue, especially with the shared hosting, in that I can't install or enable either Redis or Memcached to really get some good caching, server-side caching. I know one of my hosts, Guru, they wouldn't allow it because they said it's a security issue. So I'm going to search for some more cheap shared hosting that I can actually test on with the object cache enabled or an option to install it. So there's a few that I'm considering, but anyway, on my VPS machine so far, with my server avatar control panel, I've managed to get it working on all of the VPS servers. I've just signed up with DigitalOcean Premium, which is the alternative to Vultr high frequency. And I signed up for the cheap plans. I'm going to do direct comparison between Vultr and DigitalOcean Premium. Now, they don't have a Paris location, but I just chose the US, so it shouldn't make a difference for testing anyway. I hope. I think I chose San Francisco, a new data center that they launched. So I'll update this spreadsheet, but if you click on the link below, you can see at the bottom on the tabs here, I actually made a few more changes. I'm using PHP 8 now, so it'll be 8.0 and then whatever the version is. Let me see. PHP 8.0.16. So I'm going to be using that as standard now on all of the tests. The old tests from, when did I finish these off? These were all, okay, there was some January 2022. But yeah, you can see Vultr did pretty much always come out top, even on the cheaper servers. Let me see, $5 server. Was that high frequency? I think it was actually. Okay, $5 anyway. So they always came out pretty much top. UpCloud had very good network download. The database was mid-range. I've seen a lot lower. But yeah, it's not bad. And I also have shared hosting is the old table. I'll make a new table once I get the caching sorted out. Well, I might just continue. Actually, no, it will mess up the results if I continue using the new plugin. But let me just concentrate on the VPS for now, because this is what I'm enjoying testing. I've actually signed up for about 6 VPS servers, or VPS machines, because it's called Virtual Private Server, in the past 2 days. And 1 Vultr, 1 Nexus Bytes, 1 DigitalOcean, and 3 other small ones. And I'm going to see how they go, and I'll put all the results on the table, and I'll probably have another couple of videos coming out the next few days. So keep an eye out, and thanks for watching. Don't forget, the link is below for this table. And yeah, I'll probably update the table before I make videos, so keep an eye on it. Thanks for watching, bye.